Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix TikTok story not being able to delete. Now, if you are not being able to delete a TikTok story, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that your internet connection or mobile data may not be working properly. So to fix it, you just need to scroll from the very top and see if you are connected to any mobile data or Wi-Fi, which is very good and strong. And if you are already connected to it and if you're still not being able to delete, simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the network settings or issue which you are getting on it. So after that, simply open the TikTok and see if you are able to delete the story or not. So if you are able to delete, that's good. If you are not, you just need to open the Play Store or App Store on a device, and from here you just need to search for the app called TikTok. So simply search the app TikTok and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, simply update it to the latest version available, because by not updating the app, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to this story. So after updating, you just need to open the TikTok app on a device and tap on a profile icon and tap on the story and click on the option of three straight dots at the very bottom and scroll down and click on the option delete. See, that's how you can delete and fix the problem of TikTok story not being able to delete. So that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.